OpenAI just got caught testing something they haven't even announced yet, and if this leak is real, it's going to change how you use AI completely. We're talking about GPT 5.6. And not the regular version, the pro version, the one built for the hard stuff, the one that thinks longer, goes deeper, and doesn't cut corners. No official release date yet, no benchmarks, no pricing, nothing confirmed by OpenAI. But when a pro model shows up in testing before anything's been announced, that tells you everything you need to know. They're not patching a bug here. They're building something that's going to change how you work with AI day to day. So let me break down exactly what's coming and why the people who move on this first are going to have a massive head start over everyone else. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, first thing to know about GPT 5.6, the coding upgrades. And look, even if you've never written a line of code in your life, this matters to you. Right now, if you want to build something like a custom chatbot, an automation, or a tool that handles tasks for you, you either learn to code yourself or you pay someone a lot of money to build it. With a stronger coding model, that whole equation changes. You describe what you want in plain English and the AI builds it. Think about what that actually means. Something that used to take a developer weeks to build could take you an afternoon. That's not a small upgrade. That's the gap between people closing. Now here's what's interesting about this one. Long context, basically. How much information the AI can hold in its head at once. If GPT 5.6 can read way more at a time, that changes content completely. Picture this. You've got months of YouTube videos, newsletters, and old posts sitting around doing nothing. Right now, going back through all of that to find your best ideas is a massive manual job. With a model that can actually hold all of that at once, you could feed it everything you've ever made and ask it what topics are working, what questions keep coming up. Write me a new script that answers all of it. What used to take weeks of digging through old content turns into one prompt. That's not just saving time. That's an entirely different way of working. And this next one, I think this is the biggest deal out of all of them. Agent reliability, right now. If you've tried using AI agents, you know the problem. They start a task, they get halfway through, and then they just stop or mess something up, and you have to jump back in and fix it. And honestly, at that point, you might as well have just done it yourself. That's been the biggest issue holding AI agents back this whole time. If GPT 5.6 actually fixes this, and early signs say it's built specifically for longer, more reliable tasks, that changes everything. Imagine a system that runs all day on its own, doing the work without you babysitting it every 10 minutes. That's not a small productivity bump. That's the difference between a tool you have to manage and a tool that actually works for you. So now let's talk speed, because this one compounds fast. If GPT 5.6 is faster and more efficient than what we've got now, think about everything that gets unlocked. Right now, making one piece of long-form content and turning it into everything else around it, shorter clips, posts, follow-up ideas, that's normally a full day of work, sometimes more. With a faster model doing the heavy lifting, that same output could take 20 minutes instead of a full day. And when something that used to take a day takes 20 minutes, you're not just saving time, you're producing 5-10 times more without working 5-10 times harder. That's the kind of leverage most people don't even realize is coming. Last one, and I think people skip past this, but it actually matters a lot if you're using AI in any kind of public-facing way. As these models get more powerful, OpenAI is also building in stronger guardrails. And if you've ever worried about an AI tool saying the wrong thing, giving bad advice, or going off script in front of real people, this is the part that should make you feel better about deploying AI. Stronger built-in safety means you can actually trust these systems to run more of your business without you watching over their shoulder every second. That's the part that lets you scale without needing to hire 10 more people to keep an eye on everything. Now here's the thing I keep coming back to with all of this. The Pro version isn't built for quick, easy questions. It's slower on purpose because it's thinking harder. So you don't use Pro for everyday stuff, you save it for when the task actually matters. The big project, the thing you need done right the first time, not the thing you can afford to redo. That's the mindset shift here. It's not use AI for everything the same way. It's know when to bring out the tool that thinks the hardest. So here's where we land on all of this. None of this is confirmed yet. No official dates, no pricing, no benchmarks from OpenAI themselves. But when a pro model leaks in testing before anything's been announced, that's not nothing. That's a signal. And every single time one of these bigger, smarter models drops, the people who already know how to use AI in their business are the ones who jump on it first and pull ahead, while everyone else is still figuring out what the update even means. So the real question isn't whether GPT 5.6 is going to be good. It's whether you're going to be ready to actually use it when it lands, or whether you're going to be 3 weeks behind everyone else again. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.